What is up, my people? I've just come back from the grocery shop, and as you can tell from the title of this video, it's about what I eat in a day. I would say I'm quite a health conscious person, so if you want some healthy meal ideas, you're in the right place. So the plan for today is that I need to finish off some case studies from a sports massage therapy qualification, and in the afternoon I'll probably go for a jog and I have to film some stuff for the university. I'm still not sure what I'm going to be doing late in the afternoon and in the evening, but it's such a nice day out, so hopefully we'll be doing something fun. And on that note, feel free to skip to any part of the day using the timestamps below. And without further ado, let's go to meal number 1. Right, breakfast is served. Here I've got 30 eggs, I've got 50 grams of summerberry granola with low-fat Greek yogurt. Nothing too fancy, and I'm going to put the nutritional values on the screen right now. Done with breakfast, and I've brought my laptop here with me in the park to finish up with my case studies. And of course, it's such a sunny day out, there's no way I'm going to miss out on an opportunity to get a tan. While I'm here, I want to tell you a bit more about the sports massage therapy qualification. In order to be qualified, you have to pass your theory and practical assessments, as well as completing some case studies and MCQ questions. Throughout the entire course, I've learned so many different massage techniques that will come in handy when I work for sports teams or MSK clinics in the future. Right, guess what time it is? It is lunchtime. Let's go make some food. So for lunch, I've got 50 grams of quinoa, 250 grams of lean turkey mince with 7% fat, bell peppers, courgette, mushrooms, and half a tin of chopped tomatoes. After mixing everything up, I seasoned it with salt, pepper, and a dried sriracha mix I found in Tesco. Absolute game changer, would definitely recommend that. Shane tested it and said it was a solid, what did you say? Solid 6.8. 3 cents for you. Oh, amazing. Delicious and nutritious. Okay, Maddie and I are gonna go for a run now. I'm gonna bring the GoPro with me, so I'm gonna switch right. There we go. A lot of my friends find this weird, but I'm not sure if you guys feel the same way. I love running when it's absolutely steaming out here. The hotter the better. Maybe because I'm so used to running and playing football in the sun.
Or it's because you're with me, big man.
In the sun back in Hong Kong. And of course, it's always hot when the sky is around. New findings every day. Check this out, a little oasis in the middle of a park. It's not even a park.
Little tidbit of information if you get stung by a nettle.
What do you do?
Grab one of these leaves, give it a little bit of a rub.
Damn, no way. I feel like I say that a lot, but.
Take it away.
Damn.
Another bike.
No. We've just finished a run, 6.6k, not too bad. We're gonna use the remaining of the trail to just cool down, have a nice walk, nice views, nice company. What more can you ask for? Back on campus now, and my step count is 16k. Before I started my run, it was on 7k, and I try to target 10k every day, but obviously that is not possible. On some days you could get 20k, some days you could get 200. When you're just stuck in your room watching Netflix all day, so don't get stressed out when you can't hit 10k every day.
What is this, semi-skin? Yeah.
Take 2 from my protein shake. I've got a banana and also a scoop of protein from my protein. 1 scoop, give it a shake, and you are sorted. So I'm just giving Maddie a little rub after a run. A post-event massage, that's what we call it.
It's right now. Is the game on?
What do you think, customer?
Legs are feeling quite good. They're very tight after my run. I give them a 8.5 out of 10.
A pass! That's a pass. It's better than my cooking. Did a bit of filming for the university, and it's about 6 p.m. now. The sun's still out, so I'm going to play some Spikeball. Let's go. Part of the good trust up. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get it, get it. Oh, referee.
Smash.
Oh, get up, get up, get up, get up. No, it's not ours, it's not ours.
Technical.
You're trying to run away.
Reserve.
good stuff. There it is, here's my dinner. I've got some sirloin steak, carrots, onions, sweet potato. I track my calories on MyFitnessPal roughly once every month because I kind of know how much I have to eat or to not overeat. Here are my tangerines for dessert. Veggies contain nearly 0 calories, so be generous when you add them to your meals. But yeah, that's about it. Let's dig into it. Whew. Saving the best for last. Here I've got some raspberry ice cream, 392 calories per tub. See if it's focusing. Gelatelli. I guess what I'm trying to say in this video is that you don't necessarily need to eat less to lose weight to be healthy. You just have to eat smart. And by no means I'm an expert in nutrition. I just want to show you guys what I have in a day. But yeah, if you guys are still here watching, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Eat well, stay active, stay safe. I'll be heading to the south coast of UK this weekend, so stay tuned for that vlog. I'm sure there's going to be some incredible cinematics. But yeah, see you next week.